Head is missed, skid fracture. And this is my friend. That's Ben. And this is his BB gun. And we're gonna show you some shooting at the targets. We need to shut the curtains for us so that it shows up. These are the targets. These are our targets that we got off just BB guns. And it's got target there, and target there. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna move it down a bit. Can I see it? I'll bring it up closer. How's the battery on the computer? Shit, it's still critical. Okay, I'll do one more shot. Where's my BB gun? Oh no, there it is. Right, get out of the way or else you can't see the targets. There's nothing on. Okay, I'll make a better one next time. Okay, here we go.